And welcome back. Preparation is on in earnest at Caymanas Park as promoters SVREL get the track ready for Saturday's 11-race card, including the third running of the ultra-rich Mouttet Mile. A very fast track is expected, and there's a buzz that the track record of 1:34.3 may be in trouble.
The fastest a horse has run in recent times, going 8 furlongs or a mile, is 1:35.1. She's a Manita, manhandling the field in the now-defunct Diamond Mile in 2019 to set a new stakes record. Tongues are wagging that 1:32 is a real possibility, and work is on in earnest to get the racing surface in immaculate condition. 3 horses in the field of 16 vying for US $250,000 or 38 million Jamaican dollars will be running on the track for the first time. Now, despite the turmoil in recent times, the promoters have rallied and are promising to put on a show with over $54 million in prize money on offer.
I'm a fighter, and when you have a product like Caymanas Park that you believe in, you have to fight hard for it. I'm a young man, I grew up in this sport, I grew up at Caymanas Park. It means too much to the people of Jamaica for me not to fight for it. When these speed bumps come along the way, we take them in stride. Dust ourselves off and we just keep moving.
Solomon Sharp says it has been a learning process since taking on the duties of chairman of SVREL in 2019.
Felt that Caymanas Park was a whole new product and needed to be stripped down and trained as a young horse. So when you go on a bucking bronco, it throws you all over the place, it throws you down, you get back up, and you have to keep going until you get the horse in stride. And I think we've finally gotten the horse in stride. And I don't think there's going to be any more bumps in the way, and if they are, we'll probably just leapfrog them and just keep moving.
In the meantime, Gary Sabrati's Mare Desert of Malibu is the 3-1 anti-post favorite, while Legacy Isle is second in the anti-post odds at 72 for trainer Ron Crichton, who's looking for back-to-back wins after landing the second staging with a rough entry last year. Some other runners pipped to do well based on the overnight odds are Anthony Nunez's pair of T-Stock, Barnaby and Crichton's Commandant. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.